The highlights of today's defense news, 13th of February 26. DAC approves capital acquisition proposals totaling 3.6 lakh crore rupees to strengthen the combat preparedness of the defense forces. MOD inks 2,312 crore rupees contract with HAL for 8 Dornier 228 aircrafts under Buy Indian category. IISc reveals key insights into GaN gates advancing durable high-power electronic devices. Solar Defense's Indigenous 125 kilo air bomb clears trials on Su-30 MKI and Jaguar. Odisha approves 300 crore rupees IG Defense drone hub in Ganjam, enhancing tactical UAV manufacturing close to strategic test sites. Rolls-Royce unveils mega roadmap for India, offers co-development next-generation fighter jet engine with full IP rights. In the global highlights, Electro Optic Systems and Roketsan sign strategic deal to pursue integrated laser defense opportunities. Hensoldt and Helsing forge strategic alliance to develop AI-enabled CA-1 autonomous combat aircraft for Europe. Munich startup Hypersonica tests Europe's first privately funded hypersonic missile. A look at the news in detail. The Defense Acquisition Council accorded acceptance of necessity for various proposals of the services at an estimated value of 3.6 lakh crore rupees on 12th of February. For the IAF, 114 multi-role fighter aircraft, Rafale, combat missiles and airship-based high-altitude pseudo-satellite. For the Army, it is anti-tank mines, Vibhav, and overhaul of vehicles platforms of armored recovery vehicles, ARVs, T-72 tanks, and infantry combat vehicles, BMP-2. For the Navy, 4 MW marine gas turbine based electric power generator under the Make 1 category and P-8I long range maritime reconnaissance aircraft. For the Coast Guard, electro optical infrared system for Dornier aircraft. The Ministry of Defense has signed a contract with Hindustan Aeronautics Transport Aircraft Division in Kanpur for the acquisition of 8 Dornier 228 aircrafts along with operational role equipment for the Indian Coast Guard at a cost of rupees 2,312 crore rupees under the Buy Indian category. The program is expected to generate significant direct and indirect employment by strengthening HAL's production ecosystem and supporting a broad network of MSMEs and ancillary industries. It will also create sustained opportunities in MRO and life cycle technical support. This is part of the capacity building exercise of the Coast Guard, which aims to increase its flight of air assets from existing 80, which includes aircrafts and choppers, to 100 by 2030. A word about Dornier 228. The Dornier 228 is a highly versatile 19-seater twin-engine turboprop utility aircraft manufactured by Hindustan Aeronautics. Renowned for its short takeoff and landing capability, it is used for maritime patrol, surveillance, and regional commuter services, particularly for connecting remote areas. The aircraft features a modern glass cockpit, upgraded engines, and composite propellers for enhanced performance. Researchers at the Indian Institute of Science have achieved a significant breakthrough in gallium nitride power transistor technology. Their work addresses long-standing challenges in gate control, enhancing reliability for critical applications like electric vehicles and data centers. GaN transistors offer remarkable advantages over traditional silicon-based devices. They drastically reduce energy losses and shrink power converters by up to 3 times. However, widespread adoption has been hindered by limitations in the gate structure, which regulates current flow. Commercial P-GaN gate transistors typically activate at a low threshold voltage of 1.5 to 2 volts. They also suffer from current leakage above 5 to 6 volts, posing risk in high power environments. Until now, the physics governing these gate behaviors remained poorly understood. A team from IISc's Department of Electronic Systems Engineering conducted a comprehensive two-part study to bridge this knowledge gap. Their research elucidates how the p-GaN layer's depletion state influences threshold voltage and leakage. Solar Defense has unveiled its Air Bomb 125 kg, a precision guided munition developed under India's Make 2 initiative, marking a significant stride in indigenous defense manufacturing. This bomb, akin to the NATO standard Mk-81, is engineered for compatibility with both Russian and Western aircraft platforms, thereby enhancing the Air Force's operational versatility. The weapon features two primary warhead configurations: pre-fragmentation for targeted fragmentation effects against personnel and light armor, and blast fragmentation optimized for broader area destruction through combined explosive force and shrapnel dispersion. These variants allow pilots to select payloads suited to diverse mission profiles, from close air support to suppression of enemy air defenses. A key innovation lies in the fusing system, incorporating both nose and tail fuses. The nose fuse enables proximity detonation for air burst effects, maximizing lethality against soft targets, while the tail fuse supports post impact delay modes, ideal for penetrating hardened structures like bunkers or fortified positions before exploding. Solar Defense, as the lead integrator, collaborated with DRDO and private sector partners, leveraging advanced manufacturing techniques like precision machining and composite materials to meet stringent weight and ballistic specifications. The bomb's 125 kilogram class positions it as a versatile general purpose weapon, bridging the gap between lighter S-80 series bombs and heavier 250 kilos munitions. Its modular design facilitates future upgrades, including GPS INS guidance kits for standoff delivery, aligning with Indian Air Force's network centric warfare doctrines. IG Defense has secured approval for a 300 crore rupees investment to establish an advanced multi-drone manufacturing hub in Odisha's Ganjam district. This marks one of the largest private sector investments in drone production within the state. The project received clearance from the 144th State Level Single Windows Clearance Authority. The new facility will specialize in producing high performance tactical drones, electronic warfare enabled systems, and mission specific unmanned aerial vehicles. These platforms aim to enhance India's defense capabilities with cutting edge homegrown technology. The Orissa hub will expand the firm's national production network, enabling scalable output to meet surging demands. It supports the armed forces' evolving needs while ensuring compliant exports that strengthen strategic partnerships. Now, some global news. Electro Optic Systems has signed a strategic partnership agreement with Roketsan to collaborate on future opportunities involving integrated defense capabilities in selected markets. EOS brings established counter drone capabilities spanning kinetic and high energy laser effectors, and in 2025 secured what is described as the world's first export contract for a 100 kilowatt class high energy laser weapon with the Netherlands. Roketsan contributes experience in defense platforms, systems integration, sensors and command and control, supported by an established industrial base and regional defense relationships. It also provides directed energy solutions against asymmetric threats, with the partnership bringing together complementary strengths to address future customer requirements for integrated capability. The agreement covers collaboration in jointly identified markets, positioning both companies to pursue opportunities requiring integrated counter drone and force protection solutions. Hensoldt and Helsing have signed a strategic partnership to develop AI-enabled combat air systems within a sovereign European technology architecture aimed at strengthening the security of Western democracies amid significant geopolitical change. The first joint initiative will center on Helsing's autonomous combat aircraft, the CA-1 Europa, designed to enhance Europe's defense capability and technological leadership. The CA-1 Europa will be equipped with advanced Hensoldt sensor technologies, integrating radar optronics, self-protection, and electromagnetic warfare systems, while Hensoldt's MDO Core software suite will act as the digital backbone for multi-domain data fusion, networking, and mission coordination. Combined with Helsing's AI agent Centaur, the uncrewed aircraft will be capable of autonomous mission execution and secure information processing to meet the demands of a rapidly evolving security environment. The Anglo-German startup Hypersonica has conducted the first test of a privately developed European hypersonic missile. According to the Munich-based company, the prototype exceeded Mach 6, that is 7,409 kilometers per hour, and demonstrated a range of more than 300 kilometers. All onboard systems performed nominally during ascent and descent, with validation completed down to the subcomponent level at hypersonic speeds. Hypersonic, Hypersonica said the test flight was completed within 9 months of the project's inception. The company aims to finalize development by 2029 under a phased roadmap with upcoming flights set to demonstrate sustained hypersonic flight, advanced control at extreme velocities, complex maneuverability, and ultimately full mission capability. That's the news for today. We hope you have enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and do give us your feedback. Thank you.